You may have seen a gentleman sitting between Lauren and I. This is the famous Eddie Gabor, who is joining us in New York today. The man who has been consistently right about this market for the last 6 months. Oh, it's great to see you, Eddie.
It's great to be here, Stuart.
Okay. You've been telling us for a long time, sell any rally, and you expect big declines later this year. Have you changed your position at all?
No, actually, we've gotten even more bearish, really. We've raised more cash during this last run-up, the highest level we've had ever in my career for clients, because the credit markets right now are flashing some real warning signs. The high-yield spreads are really starting to widen. That's very problematic for cost of capital for businesses. And the bottom line is, I think investors need to be prepared for a recession. If your portfolio is not ready for a recession, then you're going to need to expect, in our opinion, much more downside, because second quarter earnings are going to be a doozy to the downside.
We're almost into high summer. For investors, you're expecting a really bumpy ride this summer.
Absolutely. July and August, I think you're going to see a lot of volatility, and these earnings are going to be very, very problematic.
Eddie, stay there, please. I know you're with us for the hour.
Yes,
we appreciate that. Thanks a lot. I've got a question for Eddie.
And the old people.
Yeah, right. Is there any kind of travel company that you would ever invest in? Airlines, cruise lines, anything?
Ever's a long time. So I'll talk about right now. Right now, these companies, my biggest fear for this sector is they're going to be burning through cash. This disruption in travel is going to be very problematic for them. And as this economy slows, I think you're going to see the consumer really clamp down on discretionary spending. So, as you say, I wouldn't touch it right now with a 10-foot pole.
Okay? This is because I once invested, I tell everybody this, I once invested in People Express, the airline. You don't remember it, you're too young. But I lost my shirt. Yeah. Absolutely lost my shirt on it. Should have seen it coming.